Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club cryptocurrency forecast for the 1st of September 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. The cryptocurrency forecast will include the following: fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, technical analysis with our daily trade idea, and economic calendar, the key events to watch. Fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. This week has been another action-packed week for the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has broken above its all-time highs. Bitcoin is now trading above $4,700, getting ever so close to $5,000 just for one single Bitcoin. Over the last week, Litecoin has also broken out to all-time highs, currently trading above $70. Last week we saw Ripple double in price within 3 days, and Dash has also broken out to its all-time highs. Now this week we have seen some significant moves in other safe havens as well, particularly gold and silver. Gold has broken out now to 10-month highs, currently trading at $1,320 US, breaking out significantly earlier on in the week after North Korea fired a ballistic missile over Japan, escalating geopolitical tensions again. And with that, of course, we saw gold and silver bid up significantly. What was interesting is that again we have seen the cryptocurrencies this week also be treated as a safe haven, with again significant breakouts and surges to the upside. Technical analysis with our daily trade idea. First of all, if we have a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is currently trading at $4,700. So it has broken out yet again to all-time highs. And we saw this breakout earlier on in the week, particularly after again we saw gold and silver get a safe haven bid, with Bitcoin breaking out here back above 4,500. It's now above 4,700. And the next major levels above here, which is closing in on, is going to be $5,000. $5,000 now for Bitcoin is now within reach, and it is actually the next major level of resistance here, and there is essentially clean air for a move higher here, for a $300 move higher here in the short term for Bitcoin. And above that, the next major level of resistance sits at 5,499, or essentially 5,000 if we were to see additional upside beyond that level. But at this point there is very little really stopping Bitcoin from being able to break out higher here and getting a surge up to the next major level of resistance at the 5,000 level. And as we've discussed in previous reports here as well, we were looking at opportunities on this pullback back towards 3,600, reloaded on the pullback back towards 3,600, which then gave another setup just above 4,100, and that trade is still in motion at the moment as we're now breaking back above 4,700. So 5,000 is the next key level. But in terms of trade idea, we looked at Ripple on last week's analysis, and again here Ripple, the overall price structure is very supportive at the moment. So about 2 weeks ago, Ripple pulled back and came back and consolidated back at 15 cents, and it stayed at that level for approximately a week. We then saw a significant breakout to the upside where Ripple doubled in price in 3 days, so trading just under 30 cents, and last week into the close on Friday pulled back and actually gave us a really good opportunity again to reload here around 19 cents here, and it's found support. Previous level of resistance has become support, and it's been edging higher all week. It's currently trading at 24 cents, but the move is unlikely to be over just yet. We're actually getting a nice bounce off this level at the moment. We've also taken out the Monday highs here as well, so we're currently trading around 24 cents, and certainly we see the potential for a run up higher here, taking the price initially back to 28. Beyond that, a retest of 30 cents. So from the current levels at the moment, where Ripple is trading at 24 cents, support is underneath just at 19 cents. This could provide a good opportunity looking for an additional breakout and follow through move back towards the weekly highs from last week, which would take the price up to 30 cents. Ripple is yet to retest its May highs here, so it's all-time highs. And if it was to do that, essentially it would double in price from where Ripple is at the moment. So Ripple is currently at 24 cents, and if it was able to continue to rally and break out and retest the all-time highs here, it has the potential to double here. So I would definitely have Ripple on your radar. Litecoin also has had a significant surge here. So Litecoin currently trading at $71.40. You can see where it has popped above 65 over the course of this week. And in fact, if we go back to the price structure here on Litecoin, only 2 weeks ago, Litecoin was trading at $45. So it has been an impressive run here. So it's currently trading at $71. The next major level of overhead resistance at the moment resides at approximately $75. It's been quite a significant move over the course of this week. Litecoin is up 20% so far this week, and it looks like it's got more upside to go here as well. And finally, I also want to put Dash on your radar because Dash had a significant breakout and surge just last weekend. We saw the price of Dash break out from $315 up to $409. So just under a $90 breakout within 24 hours. So quite a considerable move to the upside. I would certainly have Dash on the radar again. It looks like we could be going for another retest back of the all-time highs here. Dash is currently trading at 377, and it's not too far off now, retesting 400. And in actual fact, Ethereum as well is almost on the brink of breaking out from its all-time highs here as well. So Ethereum is currently trading at $385. The all-time highs here are $400, which were achieved at the end of May, beginning of June this year, and we've had quite a sizable recovery. It's been a slow and steady move here for Ethereum, but it doesn't look like it's going to take much in order for Ethereum to essentially break out and surge now back above the all-time highs of 400. But again, going back to trade idea right now, I would certainly have Ripple on the radar at the moment for a potential boost back up towards the weekly highs from last week. And also, of course, I would keep your eye on Bitcoin here as well. If we hit 5,000, that will mean that Bitcoin is up 400% so far in 2017, where it started off the year near $1,000. And in fact, this time last year, Bitcoin was trading at $500, and it's now trading at $4,700. So some incredible gains for the cryptocurrencies. Economic calendar, the key events to watch. The main focus on Friday will, of course, be Friday's non-farm payroll data. So that is scheduled for 1:30 London time. And what we want to be looking at is, of course, the headline number of the non-farm payrolls, but also the average hourly earnings and the unemployment rate. All of these factors will be important to decide the dollar's fate here on Friday and the potential big moves that we could see across a number of commodities, which of course include gold and silver, particularly as gold is currently trading at $1,320 per ounce and very close again to breaking above the 10-month high. So I'll definitely be watching gold, the US dollar. We also have the US Baker Hughes oil rig count, which is due out at 6 o'clock London time on Friday. Now we've seen some considerable moves here on oil over the course of Thursday's US session. Crude oil broke out and surged 3% to the upside. We've also seen gasoline prices break out to 2-year highs as well, following on from the impact of Hurricane Harvey. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Then the private members live trading room is definitely for you. For more information on the private members live trading room, please visit www.thegoldandsilverclub.com.